What if I told you that the puppy in your lap is a scientific marvel with a superpower you can't even see? Welcome to Pip Academy, where we're uncovering the incredible secrets behind man's best friend. What they are, why people love them, how they sense the world, and some super interesting facts you can share with friends. By the end, you'll feel like a real dog expert. Welcome to Goalie's Pip Academy. Dogs are domesticated mammals. Domesticated means people care for them. Dogs live with families all over the world as pets, helpers, and loyal companions. Many historians believe dogs were the first animals humans domesticated, which means people and dogs have teamed up for thousands of years.
Hustling hard with a golden bling. He's so cool, he makes cats sing.
Dogs are incredibly popular. In the United States alone, tens of millions of households have at least one dog. That's a lot of wagging tails, squeaky toys, and happy greetings at the door. People love dogs because they're playful, loyal, and fun to train. They can be walking buddies, bedtime snugglers, and helpful partners for people who need extra support. There are over 150 types of dogs, called breeds, and they can look very different from one another. Some are tall and powerful, some are small and quick, some are fluffy, and some have smooth coats. With so many choices, families can find a dog that matches their space, energy, and lifestyle. The Great Dane is one of the tallest dog breeds. A fully grown Great Dane can stand around 30 inches tall at the shoulder and weigh close to 200 pounds. Because of their calm, kind nature, many people call them gentle giants. On the other end of the scale is the Chihuahua. Chihuahuas are usually 6 to 9 inches tall. They may be tiny, but they often have big personalities, alert, confident, and very devoted to their people. Let's check your knowledge with a quick quiz. True, false. Domesticated means cared for by people. If you select true, then well done, you are absolutely right.
Yes! Is your little one working on finding their first words? You're not alone in this journey. At Goalie, we've developed a speech and language system to support early language learners. Our goal is to help kids learn their first 50 words. Here's what makes Goalie special. First is we have interactive apps designed by expert speech therapists. We make ad-free content like this to support learning. And lastly, our app for parents lets you track your child's progress. Every child develops at their own pace, and at Goalie, we're here to provide that extra boost. Our system has already helped thousands of families across America support their kids' communication needs. Visit getgoalie.com and use code YouTube10 for 10% off your first purchase. Again, that's getgoalie.com to give your learner a boost in speech.
Some breeds are famous for their unique markings. The Dalmatian is known for a white coat with black spots. Fun twist, Dalmatian puppies are born all white. Their spots begin to appear when they are around 4 weeks old. It's like a polka dot surprise as they grow. No matter the breed, dogs need love, training, playtime, and care. Good food, fresh water, exercise, gentle teaching, and regular vet checkups to stay healthy and happy. Speaking of smell, dogs are superstars. They have many more smell receptors in their noses than humans do, and the part of their brain that analyzes smells is larger. Dogs can pick up faint scents from far away, follow smell trails, and detect changes we can't. This is why some dogs help with important jobs, like finding missing people, noticing certain health changes, or sniffing out things that shouldn't be where they are. What about puppies? Baby dogs are called puppies. Dogs are usually considered puppies until they are about 1 year old. Here's a wild newborn fact. Puppies are born blind, deaf, and without teeth. At first, they can't see or hear, and they don't have those tiny puppy teeth yet. But they develop fast. Eyes open, hearing starts, and little teeth appear as they grow. Dogs also have a special way of cooling down. Dogs only sweat from their paws. You might see damp paw prints on a hot day, but sweating isn't their main cooling system. The big secret is panting. When dogs pant, the ha-ha-ha sound with their tongues out, air moves over wet surfaces in the mouth and throat, helping release heat. On hot days, it's important to give dogs shade, fresh water, and breaks so they don't overheat. Let's check your knowledge with a quick quiz. Dogs sweat mainly from their A. Paws, B. Back, C. Ears, D. Tail. If you select A. Paws, then well done, you are absolutely right.
The choir. Disco dog, he's got the groove. Wag that tail and make your move. Spin in circles, bark real loud.
Short, playful practice sessions with yummy treats and praise make learning fun and build trust. Exercise and play are essential. Most dogs enjoy walks, fetch, tug, and puzzle toys that make them think. Exercise helps dogs stay fit, use their energy in good ways, and relax at home. Why do so many people feel happier with a dog around? Dogs bring laughter, comfort, and routine. They remind families to get outside, breathe fresh air, and move their bodies. From happy greetings at the door to quiet cuddles on a rainy afternoon, dogs add warmth to everyday life. Let's check your knowledge with a quick quiz. True and false. Exercise helps dogs stay fit and relax at home. If you said true, then well done. That's absolutely right.
Late last night on the city street, a dog in shades with disco feet. He spun so fast he dropped his treat.
Let's recap your expert facts. Dogs are domesticated mammals and were likely the first animals humans domesticated. There are over 150 breeds, from giant Great Danes to tiny Chihuahuas, and Dalmatians whose spots appear after birth. Puppies start life blind, deaf, and toothless, then grow quickly. Dogs sweat from their paws but mainly cool down by panting. With love, training, play, and care, dogs become amazing members of the family. Thanks for learning about dogs with Pip Academy. Share your favorite dog fact and tell someone something new you learned today.
Late last night on the city street, a dog in shades with disco feet. He spun so fast he dropped his treat.
Is your little one working on finding their words? You're not alone in this journey. At Goalie, we've developed a speech and language system to support early learners. Our goal? To help kids learn their first 50 words. Here's what makes Goalie special. Interactive apps designed by expert speech therapists. We make ad-free content, like this one, to support learning. Our app for parents lets you track your child's progress. Every child develops at their own pace, and Goalie is here to provide that extra boost. Our system has already helped thousands of families across America support their children's communication skills. Visit getgoalie.com today and use code YouTube10 for 10% off your first purchase. Again, that's getgoalie.com to give your learner a boost in speech.